Hi guys and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to record your screen on iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. So here is my 15 Pro Max, and the first thing that you must do is to go to settings and here tap on Control Center. Here go down and we need to add the screen recording button to the control center. To do that, just tap the plus sign and now the screen recording appears here and also appears here in the control center, and here there is. Now to record your screen, first push it long on this button, and from here you can enable or disable the microphone. I will let it enable, and then to record your screen, just tap, and now in 3, 2, 1 your screen will be recorded. And now it's recording because we have here the red dot. And to stop recording, just tap here and tap stop, and the recording was saved to photos. Now let's go to photos, and here is what I recorded. Will be recorded, and now it's recording because we have here the red dot. And to stop recording, just okay. So it is very easy. First you need to add the recording icon here in the control center, and then just tap and record your screen. I hope this tutorial to be useful, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.